Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have a really interesting old aluminum block petrol lighter with a wood handle. Don't know if that is some kind of personal tiki, just a handle for convenience sake. Somewhat unique, a little bit different, and a very interesting lighter. The body of the lighter is hexagonal shape, six-sided, with the base and the snuffer being round. The body of the lighter unscrews off of that base, which you can see that the base is screwed onto the wood handle. There you see your cotton wadding, where you're going to saturate with your petrol fuel. Unthread the snuffer, which has a nice little ring on top, which has corroded. Definitely got some rust, some other degradation going on there. This wick is a little bit dirty looking. I think we'll try to fire it up and just see how structurally sound it is. There's a really interesting file wheel assembly which fits down into the body of the lighter, just down into the wadding, so I believe you could fuel the lighter through that hole if you wanted to. Pretty nifty. Go ahead and unscrew our flint spring screw and flint spring, which looks like I had put back in there backward. Get our flint, drop down the tube. Flint spring with the tip first, and then the flint spring screw. Get that threading. See which side of our wheel here is intended to cut. Seems as though it's a little bit sharper on that side. Try to go this way. Still throw a spark, but not quite as aggressively and bright as it should be, or that we are likely to need to accomplish ignition in this lighter. So get that screwed all the way down. Very nice spark. Really looking forward to seeing how well this lighter works. Just try to get this lined up as straight as possible. I don't see any markings on this lighter. Looks like there are some notches in the top of that. I don't know if that's just a result of the lighter being machined out, or perhaps it was finished some way other than a engine lathe or other machine. Looks a little haphazard there in the way that that surface is cut. See the spark, really strong. Get our Hexagonal fuel. About 8 seconds so far. Nothing coming out the other end yet. Still don't feel any dampness coming off that wick, so let's seal this up. Replace our snuffer. This would be an excellent lighter to carry with you to your next concert. When it comes time for the encore, you got a handle, man. You're not going to have to sit there and hold on to the actuating valve of your Bic. Just hold on to your handle and give it a whirl. So the wood handle definitely gives the lighter the look of a tool. It's obviously had versatility built into its design, with the hook on the top, the handle, the portability of the file wheel and the whole file wheel assembly. I can't recall ever seeing one of these before. This was in that group, one of the groups of aluminum block petrol lighters that I purchased here, I don't know, probably a month or two ago now. Some nice knurling on the round base and snuffer cap. You could easily hang it from a hook, set it in a cup or something, a pencil holder on a desk. You could even attach this somewhere to your person by a chain, perhaps. Unthread our snuffer. Strikes right up. See how well that wick burns, whether it looks like it needs to be replaced. So far it looks pretty good. It is crackling a little bit, but other than that, a very strong flame, pretty large flame. It's like we could stand to get that flint grooved a little bit smoother. A little rough on that one turn. All in all, though, a really cool, really nifty old aluminum block petrol lighter with a wood handle. Very utilitarian design. Seems to work really well. Until next time.